yellow one, fire.
Look at that now.
Fire.
You can see. Oh my God. And there are just so many. And the water is so clear, you can really see to the ocean bed. This can't really capture it.
Buffer fish, buffer. Black and white.
You can see up to the
Luna, blue, huh?
they call it seabed. You can really see to the seabed. Oh my God, look at, I'm just so amazed. Oh my God, I can't, this is something you have to
Diving, wow.
Oh my God, look, there down there is a diver. I don't know if you can see him. And the water is so clean, you really see a diver. Oh, look at this, it's gone. Look at
the parrot fish, yeah? Rainbow fish.
Parrot. Cool.
Nemo.
It's crazy. I just saw somebody diving, and the water is so clear, you can really just see the person without a problem.
Hello. Did you see the picture?
Hey, Laila.
Really?
Picture? Just come here in the picture.
Oh.
Good picture.
See Romeo Juliet, the fish, yellow, giallo, down the coral, Romeo Juliet.
You Italian? Tell him this is the best picture he'll ever have, so that he can come. Oh.
See the brain coral, the coral like a brain, the seashell, shell. This butterfly, farfalla.
Look at this. You can just see the corals, and this is only possible because the water is so clear. Look at this. It's like just being right there. This was really a short notice decision to say yes, but unlike some of my stupid decisions, this was just the right decision. Everybody to their opinion, but to me, this is really worth it. It's
Nemo.
almost only with
coral, small orange, blue.
I think for me personally,
Siba.
this is enough to. This is enough to come to the Red Sea. Really, it's brilliant. It's you have to you have.
You see the wind?
Hey, Laila. Escreve quoi ou la photo quoi? Ça va, c'est ça avec quoi? Escreve quoi? Si. Ça avec quoi? Bien. Salut pourquoi? La photo. Salut.
Oh my God.
Ok, guarda, fammi vedere. Seduti.
Oh my God, I wouldn't do that in 100 years. The lady just decided to be in the middle of it, and what do I say? She just got on top of the glass.
Hello.
I don't have such confidence. I will go. I will scream and scream before they put me there. I will really scream, but the lady has confidence. She just decided to sit in the glass out of